Hi, this is Bert. Now I'm going to show you how to stay competitive with your products on eBay. You can go to your products tab and then go through one by one. This is kind of comprehensive. However, maintaining the lowest pricing across all platforms is what you want to do. So having someone go through this process is helpful on products that you see aren't selling with the velocity you would like. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the item. I'm going to grab the UPC. I'm going to go to eBay here. I'm going to paste that in. And then I'm going to sort by price plus shipping, lowest first. You can see that $13.99 on this product is the price to beat. And here's the competitive prices. In this case, this is our listing, so there's really no need to update the price, but should you want to, if we want to change our price to $13.95 to be even stronger on this product, we would just do that, hit save, and all of the channels that you've listed this product on will now update to the rock bottom price that you've set. And so that's how we stay competitive with our e-commerce listings with regard to eBay. If you have any questions about pricing your items on eBay or any other platform, please reach out to your client success rep or at listernaut.com. Thanks for watching.